Okay, so while we're waiting on this, I'm gonna get these, take them out of the pack, the tacos, and set them in the oven for a little bit. And be right back. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a spicy turkey taco using herbs, salt, paprika, a red onion. For garnishing, I have lettuce, some that I shredded in my Ninja, sour cream. Now what's going to make that turkey spicy is the hot pepper blend, shredded cheese, and of course paste salsa. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I added a little olive oil in the pan. To that I'm about to add some onions. I'm going to add the turkey. And oregano. Add in the herbs. Cumin. Paprika. Salt. And now we're gonna blend it in. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook until I'll be back. Okay, it's already brown and it looks really good. All the gravy looks delish. Okay, I'm gonna let it simmer just a few minutes more. Okay, so while we're waiting on this, I'm gonna get these, take them out of the pack, the tacos, and set them in the oven for a little bit. And be right back. Okay, it's already brown and it looks really good. All the gravy looks delish. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm about to fill this soft taco shell with some turkey, ground turkey, and onions and all of its herbs. Fill it up, get that, well, not too full. I'm gonna put some meat in there, and then move over here to the sour cream. Two dollops is good. That's good. Then we're gonna move to putting the cheese in. We're gonna add some cheese in there. This is real spicy cheese. Kroger brand, of course. Hot pepper blend. And when I say it's got flavor, yeah, it's got flavor. Real good. Some store brands don't have flavor at all. It's just, you know, you get it and it's real disappointing. So next, we're going to add some salsa. The paste salsa. That's also got some spices in there, you know. And once again, this is a spicy turkey taco. Next, we're going to add lettuce. I'm going to add some lettuce to it. Okay, that's good right there. And the next one that I'm going to do, this is a soft taco shell. This is what I want. You know, I prefer over the crunchy because I want something with some texture. So the next one is going to be the crunchy taco shell.